Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. I hope y'all are having a blessed day. We're just going to jump right in. I'm going to start with the repurchased household items. I have some scent booster here. This stuff is amazing. It smells great. Highly recommend. Same as the LA's Totally Awesome 2-in-1 laundry detergent plus fabric softener. I did pick up 3 of the bath tissues. A box of Puffs tissues, 2 Good Scent handle bags, and they're vanilla scented. I love these. They don't rip easily. They are nicely scented, and they are pretty hard to come by sometimes at the Dollar Tree. So I did grab 2 of those. I did grab a light bulb. I did grab a paper towel, 100 count. We picked up these cute little Doggy Treats for the dogs. Another one of these suit storage bags, but I don't use it for suits. I use these for like jackets, dresses, seasonal wear. You can use these for anything, and if you use them for other stuff besides the suits, you can fit more in them. I store multiple outfits, multiple dresses in one baggie. I picked up another one of those. I picked up some of this tool bench masking tape for nail art. That's a pretty big roll there for $1. Some AA batteries. I picked up one of these drop cloths. It's lightweight. It's 9 foot by 12, and it's clear plastic. And I picked up one of these Palm Olive Ultra Strength. They no longer carry the almond and blueberry scent, and I really love that one. But this has become one of my favorite go-to dish liquids. It's very, very strong, concentrated, and it cuts grease. It's probably one of the best grease cutters I've ever used. This stuff is awesome. Forgot to mention that I grabbed this aluminum foil, 40 square feet. Grabbed a few food items. They did have these 5 packs of cereal for $1 again. So I did pick up one of those. Some of the Welch's fruit snacks. A bundle of Tootsie Pops. Some double stuffed Oreos. There is 2 packs in here, but there's 3 cookies per pack. One of these pepperoni and mozzarella Lunchables, a Hershey milkshake, and this is cookies and cream. We also picked up a Donald Duck grape juice and some Russell Stover peppermint. This has crushed peppermint pieces and white fudge. And one of these coffees, it says it makes 40 cups, but it is in French vanilla, and their coffees like this are pretty good. I've tried this one and I've tried hazelnut, and they both were really good coffees. It tasted really great. So picked up another one of those. Then picked up some repeat buys. These are from the Assured brand, and they are cotton rounds. I use these to remove makeup, sometimes nail polish. They come in handy for a lot of things. I like to use them for toner as well. These purely, I use these for nail polish and sometimes witch hazel, but there are cotton balls. You get 80 cotton rounds and 100 cotton balls. Now I picked up a Secret solid deodorant. In the summer I like to use the rollerball, or like the more liquidy kind of deodorant or gel, and fall and winter I like to switch back over to solid. I may be weird, but that's just me. And so I picked up the Powder Fresh Secret, and then a hand sanitizer. Dollar Tree finally got big size hand sanitizers back in, so I picked up one of those. And I picked up a foaming bubble bath in the kids stuff, and it's the watermelon one. I love this one. I bought the one at Walmart a couple months ago, and it did not suds like this one. It doesn't work as well as this one, so I'm just going to continue to buy this one. No more Walmart bubble bath. The Dollar Tree is great. Already did another manuscript tablet. This has been working out great for school. He's in kindergarten. 60 sheets for $1. At Walmart you can pick these up for $3. And it's the same thing, obviously. It's just learning paper. And 60 sheets for $1, that's a great deal. And this is his 3rd one. And he also picked up these Toy Story 4 stickers. You get 96 stickers, 4 sheets for $1. Not bad. I like stickers. And then I did pick up some more like little Christmassy items. So I have a really great start on my Christmas. I found these little dollhouse sets, and they're furniture sets, and it comes with a little doll. And this one has 4 chairs and a table with, you know, a sticker with food and the setting. It's all set up on the sticker, so I thought that was really cute. And then this one comes with, this doll has pink shirt, blue skirt, and that's what she looks like. This one has pink shirt and yellow skirt, and it has a couch, a lamp, a clock, and a coffee table, and I thought that was so cute. I picked those up for Allie, just something small. Then I have some more gifty items to share with you. Also, for quick small Christmas ideas and gifts, I grabbed a Toy Story 4 jumbo coloring and activity book, and there is cutout bookmarks on the back of the cover, which I thought was really neat. Grabbed 2 of the Avengers coloring and activity books, Season's Greetings edition, so 2 of those. They're pretty thick as well. For $1, you can't beat that. These are like name brand coloring books. And Scooby-Doo, and it's a jumbo coloring and activity book as well. So we have Scooby-Doo, 2 Avengers, and Toy Story 4. And then I picked up not 1, not 2, but 4 of the 48 count crayons, the non-toxic ones from the Dollar Tree, to go with the coloring books I picked up for Christmas gifts. I did find a cute ornament. Like, how cute is this? It's like a snow globe-y kind of thing, and it plays music.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you.
How cute, right? So cute. Motion activated ornament. I found some really cute house stuff, and I'm gonna end the haul here because I want to do a whole other beauty video, because I found a lot of great beauty finds there, so I wanted to do that video separate. So I did pick up a coaster for my computer desk. I just use like a folded up paper towel, and I've been thinking to myself, the next time I go to Dollar Tree, I'm gonna grab a coaster. So this home is filled with love. Naturally absorbent coasters. Yeah. Anyways, I just picked up one of those. I just needed one for the computer desk. I did pick up a storage bin. It doesn't, yeah, there's a sticker. It just says basket. And I'm going to use this in the cabinet to hold all of Connor's water cups. Or, well, his cups. So then I can just, you know, take it out of the cabinet, pick the one I want. Pick the one he wants, whatever. Yeah, you get it. And I was really hoping that I would find this coffee mug at the Dollar Tree, because I saw it in Coupon and Girls haul, and I had to have this. I needed it. It says "Good Morning Beautiful" with lashes. So either I will use it to drink coffee, hot chocolate, cappuccino, lattes out of, whatever, or I will use it for makeup storage on my table. And the last and final home item that I grabbed that I want to share is this really nice glass jar. And they had a couple different designs with these. I picked this design here. Look how gorgeous that is. And I was actually on the hunt for a jar to store coffee in. Because I usually buy like small bags of coffee anyways. And I thought this would be perfect. So, yeah. Because I have a whole cabinet dedicated to just like coffee items. All my mugs, coffee stirrers, coffee filters, all that kind of stuff is in that cabinet. And I just thought that would be, you know, a nice new addition to that. But that's my Dollar Tree haul, you guys. That's it for all the stuff I showed you and shared with you. And then stay tuned for that beauty portion of the Dollar Tree haul. I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And check the description box for additional Dollar Tree links.